Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some of the hottest 2022 into 2023 lob haircut ideas. First up we have this dark copper lob, beautiful curtain bangs within the front of the hair, gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So the stylist ended up giving her a classic lob haircut, and he did add in some beautiful waves to create some texture and a gorgeous tassel effect. Next up we have a classic brunette lob haircut. Followed by more of a layered lob style, beautiful blonde hair coloring. Then we have this gorgeous dark colored blunt lob. The stylist did create that stunning tassel effect with the waves. And then we have this beautiful burgundy colored lob. Cut and the color just looks so radiant. And then we have another gorgeous dark lob haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.